So now we're going to multiply radical expressions. And here's the thing. The radicands don't have to be the same anymore as they did when you were adding and subtracting radical expressions. But the index have to match. For example, look at this first one, square root of 50 times the square root of 5. You're allowed to multiply inside of the square root sign with the radicands. So you put one square root and then you multiply the 50 times the 5, which is 250, as you know. It is expected that you're going to simplify these radicands. You're going to factor out any perfect square factors, right? I mean, you're going to take out of the radical any perfect square factors that are there of 250. You know that 250 is 25 times 10, and 25 is a perfect square, which is square root of 25 is 5, and then 10 is 2 times 5, so there's no more pairs of factors in 10. So this would be, the final answer would be 5 square root of 10. The index have to match. The radicands don't. You can multiply inside of the root and then simplify by pulling out the perfect squares or cubes or whatever. Okay? All right. Let's go over here to the next one. Number 2, now our index is 5, so we're looking at fifth roots. And we're going to go ahead and multiply. So we're going to multiply, all right, 27 times 9. So we're going to multiply inside of the fifth root. Don't forget the index. Okay, 27 times 9 is 243. X to the 4th times x is x to the 5th. And y cubed times y squared is y to the 5th. And now the fifth root of 243. So if you need to use your calculator for that, let me show you how to do that. The roots are in the math menu. And you'll see it there, the fifth one down, okay? I mean, number 4 is the cube root, and then number 5 lets you put the index that you want. And you want to put the index in first, okay, which is the fifth root. So put the 5, and then go to the math menu. Grab that number 5, right? And now put in here the 243. Hit enter. And so that's 3, right? So over here we have the fifth root of 243 is 3. The fifth root of x to the 5th is x. And the fifth root of y to the 5th is y.